look around all confused. Oh, hi there. It's been a while. That's because I've been working really hard to get the car to where it is right now. A lot of little things going on. For the most part, right now, I'm going to start it up and see if we can get it to run and idle, and then from there I'm going to let the car warm up so that I can check the fan, make sure it's working with the switches I have, and while it's warming up I'll take on a bit of tour of everything I've done. So I've got a little helper. Let's see if we can get this to go. Okay, bud, you hit it. Go again. Okay, try again. That's close. Okay. Let go. Let go. Let go. There you go. Whoa. Okay, it's warming up now. It's settling in pretty nice. Let her cruise along here for a bit. So hopefully you can hear me. Some of the stuff I did was I had to lower the battery down because it's going to be in the way of the throttle horns that I was going to have going in here. So it had to be lowered a little bit, and I did it kind of quickly. Didn't want to do a video about it because it's a bit get of a job, if I'm honest. So what else do I got here? I got this new relay box. So that's controlling the fan. It's got power coming out of the off of fuse number 6. I got 6 fuse setup to give it to energize it off of the ignition, and then I also installed here a temperature switch. So at 90 degrees this should turn the fan on, and then a new temperature sender. These carb settings are right out of the box. I set the throttle pump on them, and then just set some initial settings. Gonna tune them up next week. They're a little poppy. I don't know if that's normal or what, but anyway, it's looking good. Temps coming up. Revs are sitting at 1,000. Looking good. So, a bit of tour of the fan wiring here. Let's go. So, relay box. And then up front, we got the fan. So it looks good there. Hopefully once this car hits 90 degrees, we're going to see some serious shit. Temp's coming up now. I'm going to turn the idle down a touch. Uh-oh, got a coolant leak. So it looks like some of my shitty welding has not worked out on the radiator. Just a pinhole right now, but that's okay. For now, what really needs to happen is I gotta get this out on the road for Sunday, and then I can go get slushies and have it on the road for Lucas's birthday. It's gonna be tight, because right now I don't have the throttle linkage from the pedal up to the carbs. So I might have to get a bit creative with that. But the car, she sounds good. So I've got somebody coming to help me set the carbs up next Saturday. Because I'm a bit lost here. I'm pretty glad they're working and they sound good. Everything's on the car, so that's good. Some weird popping happening. Just richened up the mixture a little bit there. That seems to actually get it running pretty sweet now. The temp is up. That's usually where I see it and start getting nervous when driving around. Oh! What timing! There she goes. So now our temp should drop way down. Let's see. I think it's dropped, and we'll come back in a second, see if that fan's still on. Still rolling, that's pretty cool. That's pretty cool. Everything's working. Other than the radiator leak. Sounds awesome. I don't know if you can see that there, but the temp is way down. Ooh, losing the idle. That is kick-ass. It's cooled off enough. Fan has stopped. I'm losing my idle. I don't know what's going on here, so I'm just gonna turn the car off, I think. Cool. Until I get the pros here to check it out. Woohoo! All right, let's air out the garage here. They sound good, looks good. I have no idea what I'm doing when it comes to tuning these up. So I've got somebody coming to help me with that next week. So the things that are missing is the throttle linkage from the foot pedal box all the way up to the Dellortos. And I've got a cool design coming. It's on its way. It might not be here in time, so I might have to cobble something together with what I have to make this work. But I'm confident now that the car is going to be able to drive for Lucas's birthday, which is the goal. It's one of the rules of the project. It's got to be out every year. So right now, I'm super thrilled that the car is running. Well, I'll just have to see how it goes on the road. It's kind of disappointing the radiator leaks, but I kind of knew that it was gonna. I didn't do the best job welding it, and I know from experience holding pressurized fluids in aluminum weldment is tricky when you have welders who can do a perfect job, and I'm not one of those welders. So might have to get somebody else to touch that up for me. But looks good. Very happy with that. Very happy with it. So in a week's time, we'll see. I'll be on the road.